Use ointment to treat the genital warts. After obtaining a diagnosis from your doctor, you may receive one of several common topical creams used to treat genital warts. Use as directed to treat the symptoms of your infection as effectively as possible. The following are some of the common topical treatments you may receive. Note that creams are generally expensive and not covered by insurance. Podophylax. Podophylax, or Contilox, is a solution usually in gel form that is applied to the affected area. It is used for several weeks until the wart falls off. It clears about 45% to 90% of warts, although research shows that warts may re-emerge in 30% to 60% of cases. Imiquimod. Imiquimod, or Aldara, is a topical immune response cream. It is applied to the wart and it causes less irritation compared to Podophylax. In 70% to 85% of cases, the initial warts are removed, but in 5% to 20% of cases the warts come back. Viregen and Polyphenol. These are ointments extracted from green tea and other components. They are approved by the FDA to fight against genital warts. Discuss other options with your doctor. If your genital warts don't respond to topical creams, your doctor might want to opt for several different strategies. Creams seem to respond better to warts that are on moist surfaces, while the following generally work better for warts on dry surfaces. Cryotherapy. Using liquid nitrogen, cryotherapy freezes the wart so that it eventually falls off. It helps remove warts, but there is no guarantee they will not come back. Surgical removal. Minor surgery is conducted by an expert physician and administered with the use of local or general anesthesia. The surgeon cuts off the cells of the wart with a scalpel. Trichloroacetic acid. This is the most frequently used medication for genital warts. Trichloroacetic acid is also used for chemical peels and tattoo removal. Trichloroacetic acid is a chemical applied to the wart, effectively burning it off. Electrocautery. This procedure, less common than the other procedures, involves using an electric current to burn off warts. Laser surgery. Not advisable for use in all areas. Laser surgery is often the last resort if none of the methods work. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up. Share this video with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.